if you guys are sick of my voice yet, but I got another video. A couple things I wanted to update you guys on. A few things. One is I haven't done an internal. Let me shut this down. I haven't done an inside video in quite some time, but there are a few updates. One update is, and the most noticeable one, is the paddle shifters. So obviously I did not have the paddle shifters. I did not get that stock in my vehicle. So I just recently put this on I think about a month and a half ago, and I have to tell you, it is amazing. It is phenomenal. It is so much better than, you know, shifting with the regular transmission over here. It's quicker, it's smoother, and I know from my videos you guys may have seen before with the tune, it may have helped, it may not have. I actually put this on after the tune, so I can't really compare it, but it is amazing. And of course, you know, if you can see it from here, this is actually the same paddle shifters, believe it or not, that are in the GTR. So they're very high, they're very, you know, kind of highly made. It's good material. They're big and long, and they're attached to the actual steering column, right? They're not. It's not on the wheel, so it doesn't turn as you actually turn. So that's really good. I hated the ones that are like, you know, you're over here and you have to shift up here. Like, that's just weird to me. I can never get used to that. But wanted to show you guys that video. The other thing I wanted to talk about is this Saturday, I'm going to be participating in basically my first real track day. I've been to autocross before with other vehicles, but this is my first time on an actual track. So it's going to be in Millville, New Jersey Motorsports Park. Thunderbolt Track, I believe, is the track that I will be on, and it'll be this Saturday. So I have a lot of content with that coming soon, but I'm really excited to finally participate in the first track day. So let me just... hated having to shift down here. Hated it. It just wasn't comfortable, and I don't got a manual, so it just didn't feel right. But this right here, this is how it should be. This is definitely how it should be. I'm in shock that not every Q50 came with this, but because it's like for anyone that's a sports enthusiast that loves their vehicle, that, you know, tracks it or just likes to drive spirited, you need the paddle shifters, hands down. You need it. Anyway, going back to the track day, so I think it's 5 or 6 sessions of 20 minutes that I'll be on the track. The first few times, I think somebody will be riding with me if they have enough coaches. I got a buddy of mine there that's a coach, so maybe he'll be riding along with us, and I'm going to be videotaping it just like I'm videotaping this video. So a lot of content coming soon, and hopefully I don't crash. I got the new brake calipers installed that you guys saw in my last video, and the rotors and the brake pads, so I should be completely good there on the brakes. I wanted to make sure I got that updated before I hit the track, because I had the OEM premium brakes, calipers, and all that set up, and I knew that wasn't going to hold up on the track. I just didn't want to take it. So I have high performance sport brakes, sports pads, and everything there, so I should be good. I didn't do an oil change because I'm still 2,000 short of my next oil change, but I figured I'd do one as soon as this one's wrapped up. This track day's wrapped up, I would get you know, new oil change at that point. But besides that, I did get a Valentine one. That's one thing I did get, or Valentine one. I don't know how it goes by. Valentine one. I don't know. But this is awesome. It shows you the direction. This is by no means is this a new item or new merchandise. This has been out for quite some time, but I've always had the Escort passports, and this one is phenomenal. It does go off a little too much, but I just have to do a little bit of programming to stop some of the false signals that's getting shot off. But this thing is amazing. You know, 2 miles down, it'll pick up a cop. I might be exaggerating with 2 miles, but it feels like it. Really good radar. Highly recommend it to anyone that you know, just does any type of driving, whether you speed or not. I think it's good to know and be cognizant of you know, cops and vehicles around the area. So not much else going on. Like I said, this weekend, the track day, I will show a post video, and then I probably have to edit some footage because it's going to be a ton of footage. I have to obviously crop out the ones where I spun off or I didn't have a good turn, or you know, that I don't want to show off to you guys. But that's coming soon. I do have a big car show actually coming in May if the damn weather turns around here in New Jersey, because we've just had, it gets 65 degrees, then it gets to 70, and then it drops down to 35, and then there's a nor'easter. It just feels like the winter's not over yet. So when the winter's finally over and the car show season starts again, we got a big one in May, I believe it is, and it's going to be a whole bunch of different cars, from imports to domestic, to all different types of vehicles. And I do got a couple car reviews coming soon. A couple guys that I know, whether it be at work or if it's some of my clients that have high-end vehicles, that are coming soon to the YouTube channel. So you're going to see a little bit of reviews. I'm not a car reviewer, but I figured I should give you guys some content with the vehicles. Like there's a few AMGs, there's a Ferrari, there's a Porsche, and I figured I might as well share with you guys, get some new content for you. So anyway, that's basically all I got for you guys today. Again, to summarize, paddle shifter is awesome, a must-have for the Q50 or any car at that matter, that you like driving that might not have paddle shifters. That's obviously not manual. So highly recommended. Second thing is track day this Saturday. Friday I'm going to be going to my shop, which is Car Toys in Pleasantville. They're going to be doing a tune-up, making sure everything's good, make sure there's no issues before I do go on the track with the brakes and everything, because that's a recent install. But after that, Saturday will be the track day. I will not be uploading footage that day because, like I said, I have to go home and I have to edit some of the clips so you guys don't have a 2-hour video. But once I do, I will have that uploaded, and then I'll have a kind of a post-track day little kind of review myself. Like, how did my track day go? Do I recommend it? And what would I do different, and what would I do again? So thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, more content coming. Appreciate you guys watching.